What's up, guys? Welcome to another YouTube video. In today's video, we will be replacing the stator in this Yamaha Wolverine 350. So, first thing I do, I take all these out, including these. I take all that out. So I'll be back with you when I get them out. I got most of the bolts off, but to be able to get this one off, you have to take this off first. It means you have to loosen this. Once you get that bolt out, now you need to take a screwdriver or something and put it in between here and pry on it and then pull it out. Now we got that off, so we'll continue taking out all the bolts around here, like these ones. Now we're going to take this off. I'm going to try to do some work to that because, as you can see, it's hanging down, not doing right. So you got to take that bolt right here off before you can get this big cover off. Now that you get that stuff off, you can pretty much just pry this off. You have one pry point here, a pry point right here. As you can tell, mine's already, well, you can't tell, but I can. If I pull on this, it's already trying to come off. So it won't be too hard to get off, hopefully. And I just messed up, but this sits right in here, like up on there. But you gotta take that off too. And I forgot to tell you all about it. So you just pull it out, then that should come off. Make sure you put your drip pan there, and in here there's like a gear that's up behind something. So you kinda gotta like pull it out, like out this way, kinda like go this way with it. Because there's a gear like wedged up in behind something. I'll show you in a sec. Now that's what it looks like. The guy's video I watched, these gears, these two here, came out, I think, with his four-wheeler, but, well, mine didn't, which I guess is okay. So, that's something, I guess. But I should have probably took that loose, but I'll do that in a minute. So we're gonna go ahead and proceed to take these bolts out right here, and there's a few more down through there before we get the stator out. Well, it turns out it was only 2 bolts to get that out. So I'm gonna proceed to take this gasket out around here and unhook this part in here, then unhook the stator. Then we're gonna put that baby in there. Well, that's gonna be fun on me because most of this gasket did not come off at all. But there's the piece you gotta take out. So we'll get that out first, then get this baby out. Well, that was a huge pain in the hind end. Because the bolts here, these two were so darn tight. My Lord. Now I wanna move on to taking this stator out. I got all the bolts out of it, and it just fell right off into my hand. So here it is. Well, after what seemed like forever, I got this thing mostly cleaned up. So we're gonna put these pieces back in, which go right here. Then we're gonna put the stator in, and everything else along with it. All right, so we got the actual stator in. Now we're gonna put this thing in, and then we're gonna put that bracket in. You remember that holds this down. Then we'll be ready to put the cover back on, hopefully. All right, we got all this assembled correctly. So now it's ready to put it back on here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. Oh no, I almost forgot. Most important part, the gasket. So I'll go ahead and slap this on, then I'll slap it on there. Well, now I have this piece on here. So now all I gotta do is put all these bolts in, and then I'm gonna do all this stuff. But like I said, I'm gonna try to see if I can work on this pull start. Maybe get it to work better. We'll see. Well, now I got all these bolts put in. And you gotta watch out because this one, and this one are a heck of a lot longer than all the other ones. So you got to remember where they are, which ones they are, But now you just put this on, right here, and put that bolt in it. just like you took it apart, which I'll do in here in a sec. And then I'm gonna work on this. Well, I just took a bunch of WD-40 and PB Blaster and threw it in there, and now it's working great. It's just really locked up, you know. Now she's working good. So now I'm gonna install this. So as you can see, this thing has these plugs here, right? And then you see the old wire going up through there. You're like, where's the plug? Well, they very conveniently put it right there. Very conveniently, you know. Just kidding. So I'm gonna get that unhooked and I'll get back with you when I'm done. Well, we got it all plugged in and everything. I'm telling you, getting the darn thing, because I had to take these bolts out here, this bolt and this bolt, to get the fender up enough to get my hand behind there to hook it up. Took longer to hook the darn thing up than it did to put it in. Kind of ridiculous, but that's what happened. So I'm gonna clean my horrible mess I got here up. Then I'm gonna update y'all and tell you if it lands.